Here. In this video, we will discuss about QMS Opcenter User Interface. Our focus will be on guiding you through the process of logging into QMS Opcenter. We will provide a brief introduction to the user interface, and we will show you how to open the modules in QMS, and how to navigate through the different modules, and we'll explore different configuration settings and menus that can enhance your user interaction with the application. Click on Opcenter icon. This will start the application. Wait, as it will take some time to open the login interface. Now you can see the login interface. In the database option, you need to select the environment where you want to connect, for example production, testing, or and other environment in your organization. Here we have QMS. In plant option, you select environment code. Here we have 0001. After that, provide user login credentials, select the required language, and click on OK. After login into the QMS Opcenter, you can see this user interface. This is the module panel, consists of all the modules present in the QMS. If you want to work on any of this module, just click on the module here. These modules are divided on the basis of plan, do, check, and act model. On the top left, you can see the plan button. If you click on this, you will see the list of the modules that came under the plan section in module panel. Same, you can access the listed modules under do, check, and act from here. At the top right corner of user interface, we can see the menu bar. In general menu, we have option to exit the QMS, as well as we have option for help. In system menu, we have various options that we can use to configure the Opcenter. For example, we have System Profiler. When you click on this, it will open a new window, in which we can configure switches, which we can use in different module. Similarly, we can configure user interface, using Text Profiler, and Dynamic Sampling Profiler. Here we can change the language, using Language Configuration option. We have various language options such as English, Dutch, and French, etc. Other configuration options are settings. In Master Data menu, we have various options that we can use to create the data inside Opcenter, to use in different modules such as part type, and companies, and various other sub-menus that we can use to create other related data. Such as from Prisma, we can create operations, workstations, and from Basic of Planning, we can create machines, lines, etc. To create any of these, you just need to click on that option, for example, to create a part, or companies. Click on that. It will open a new window of part and companies. We will explain you how to create and use these data in other modules in upcoming videos. Next is User Administration menu. As the name indicates, it is related to users. This is login as. When you want to log in as different user, you don't need to log out and again log in. You can use this to log in as a different user. From here, we can also change the password of the existing user by selecting Password option. If you click on User Administration, it will open a new window. From here, you can create users access, delete a user. We will show you how to do that in upcoming video. Next is Teams option. When you click on this, it will open Teams window that will help you to create the teams inside QMS. And the last is Deputies, that consist of options such as My Deputies and My Deputyships. Please visit our Team Center and NX helpline, which is free and open to all PLM community. Here, you will get instant expert assistant, guidance, and best practices for your organization. You can also email us at mentioned email ID. We provide services to these Siemens products and also developed our own SmartPort application to automate issue reporting and resolution. Thank you for watching this video.